Welcome to 5-Minute Financial Fixes, where we help you build a solid financial foundation. Life can be unpredictable, throwing curveballs that can catch us off guard. Imagine your car breaking down, leaving you stranded with unexpected repair costs, or perhaps a sudden job loss. Leaves you wondering how you'll pay your bills. Unexpected medical expenses can pile up quickly and strain your budget. These events are not rare, and they can happen to anyone. But there's a way to navigate these challenges with more confidence. An emergency fund is your safety net, a financial buffer to protect you from life's unexpected events. It provides stability and peace of mind, preventing financial setbacks from derailing your goals. Imagine a rainy day where you can calmly look outside, knowing you have a roof over your head. An emergency fund is that roof, a financial shelter that protects you during tough times. It can help you avoid debt and keep you on track with your long-term financial goals. With an emergency fund, you'll face unforeseen challenges with less anxiety. Instead of panic, you'll feel prepared and in control. You'll be able to maintain your lifestyle, your dreams, and your financial stability. Building an emergency fund empowers you to embrace life's adventures without fear of financial hardship. It's the foundation of a secure financial future, and it's easier than you might think. Start by understanding your monthly expenses. What are the essential bills you need to cover? Track your spending for a month to see where your money is going. Once you know your monthly expenses, start saving. A general rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth in savings. For example, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, you should aim for a savings goal of $9,000 to $18,000. Don't be discouraged if this seems like a lot. Start small and gradually build up your fund over time. Remember, consistency is key. Every dollar saved brings you closer to financial security. Celebrate your milestones. Rewarding yourself for saving progress will help you stay motivated. Your emergency fund should be accessible when you need it, but you don't want it to be too easy to access. This ensures you don't use it for frivolous purchases. Avoid temptation by setting up a separate account that's solely for emergencies. Consider a high-yield savings account or a money market account. These offer decent interest rates, allowing your money to earn a bit more while staying accessible when needed. Many banks have mobile banking options, making it convenient to manage and access your emergency fund. If you're not sure where to start, talk to a trusted financial advisor to get personalized guidance. Let's move on to building your emergency fund. It's achievable with a bit of planning and discipline. The first tip is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund every month, even if it's a small amount. Start with as little as $50 or $100 per month. It adds up quickly over time. Second, cut back on unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can trim your spending. Do you really need that expensive coffee every day? Or can you pack your lunch a few times a week? Third, consider finding extra income streams. Think about taking on a side hustle, like freelance work, driving for a rideshare service, or selling unused items online. Make earning extra income a consistent part of your monthly schedule. Turn your skills into income opportunities by offering services online. Every bit of extra income can be funneled towards your emergency fund. Even $20 or $50 per month adds up significantly over time. Don't forget to celebrate your successes. Every time you reach a milestone in your savings goal, reward yourself. Every dollar saved is a victory, and every step towards your savings goal brings you closer to financial stability. By consistently saving, you'll build a solid foundation to weather any storm. Building an emergency fund may not be the most glamorous financial strategy, but it's one of the most vital. It can save you from enormous stress, debt, and financial ruin. It allows you to enjoy life's unexpected adventures, knowing you're financially prepared. Take control of your financial future by establishing and consistently building your emergency fund. It's the first step to financial security and peace of mind. Make your financial journey smoother with this essential foundation. You've got this. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.